right for our house. Dadgummit, that's over by the Nixons. Which way is that going? It's going north.
It's going north, I think. I don't know, it's kind of coming right at us. No, it's coming right at us.
Alright.
Is it not?
I can't tell. The clouds are showing that way, but I think they're rotating. Holy cow. That is massive. Get through. It's going to hit the north side of Washington, looks like.
But hey, everything's been tracking back east though.
That's going to go through the north side of town, Chase.
It is.
It's going to go through the north side of town.
I know.
It's heading over towards... That's heading right towards us, bud.
No, it's going to track that way a bit.
You think it's going to miss us?
I don't know.
Get them in.